To make your lips pink and soft naturally, try the following tips. 1. Exfoliation. Gently scrub your lips with a mixture of sugar and honey or a soft toothbrush to remove dead skin. 2. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your body and lips hydrated. 3. Natural oils. Apply natural oils like coconut oil, almond oil, or olive oil to moisturize and soften your lips. 4. Beetroot. Apply fresh beetroot juice to your lips for a natural pink tint. 5. Honey. Use honey as a natural moisturizer and to help lighten dark lips. 6. Avoid lip products with chemicals. Choose natural lip balms and avoid products with artificial colors and flavors. 7. Balanced diet. Eat fruits and vegetables rich in vitamins, especially vitamin C, to promote healthy skin. 8. Sun protection. Protect your lips from sun exposure with a lip balm that contains SPF. Aloe vera. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to soothe and hydrate your lips. Lemon and sugar. Mix lemon juice with sugar to exfoliate and lighten dark lips. Use sparingly, as lemon can be drying. Cucumber. Rub a slice of cucumber on your lips for hydration and a cooling effect. Glycerin. Use vegetable glycerin as a natural moisturizer to keep lips soft and plump. Regular lip care routine. Make lip care a part of your daily skincare routine, including moisturizing before bed. Avoid licking your lips. This can lead to dryness, so try to resist the urge. Limit caffeine and alcohol. These can dehydrate you, affecting your lips. Healthy fats. Incorporate healthy fats, like avocados and nuts, into your diet to promote skin health. Gentle massage. Regularly massage your lips with a soft cloth to increase blood circulation. Take off all lip makeup before sleep. Apply and reapply lip balm. Use lip mask. Olive oil massage. Rub olive oil on your lips for hydration. Avoid smoking. It can darken lips over time. Apply Vaseline overnight for intense hydration. Mint leaves. Crush and apply for a refreshing effect. Vitamin E. Use capsules to nourish your lips. Castor oil. Apply for softness and shine. Limit salty foods, can lead to dehydration. Regularly massage lips to improve circulation. Make lip balm at home. Customize with your favorite oils. Practice lip care routine. Consistency is key. Out of all these tips, whatever is possible for you to do, please try it. You will definitely see visible results because I have tried it myself. Consistently applying these methods can help enhance the natural color and softness of your lips.